It might burn down. You're not
Where's this shut off at?
The shut off doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, it does. When the oil starts coming over, I'm shutting it off.
It's not coming over.
Where's the
Guarantee it.
Do not use the oil. Is that what it says?
That ring base is not very sturdy.
Maybe that's why it says don't use
This is a fireproof material here.
Alright, you want to use the tongs? Hey, Campbell, use the tongs and break the fries up. It is hot.
That's pretty safe.
I think you put it in, Jeff.
You're like a roller coaster. It's gonna boil over.
Just
He
wait for it.
recognizes obvious stupidity, but it's also common sense.
I'm also realize your hand's gonna be on fire. I think.
My hands are fine. I just switch them.
Ah! Lost my glove! Tongue it!
I'm not going
Not going for that one now.
Smarter than that.
Yeah, we're not going to start with that.
Nope.
Down a hot mat. Oh, we might.
Alright.
I like how much, because it's so big of a pot, we've got quite a bit of boil room there.